take it. Promise you that I'ma take it easy. Take it easy. Promise you that I'ma take it easy. Take it easy. Promise you that I'ma take it. Anything you like, baby, I'll be down for where you are tonight. Got me going psycho, walking through my mind, looking like an icon, everything alike. Promise you that I'ma take it easy, easy, easy. Promise you that I'ma take it easy, easy, easy. Promise you that I'ma take it. Promise you that I'ma take it. Promise you that I'ma take it easy. Take it easy. Promise you that I'ma take it easy. Take it easy. Promise you that I'ma take it.
This guy, passenger side front spring through bolt. Nut came off, man, but getting the bolt out, I guess it had seized inside of the actual leaf spring. There's like a metal, I don't know, housing inside, and it was just not, I tried everything. At the end, I was able to, went and picked up a blade for cast iron, and still took me a little while to get through it, but I don't know, probably about 15 minutes nonstop. So yeah, worked out great, and now we can continue on. Honestly, that was the last really big piece, so it's mostly just little stuff like, I'm not reusing any of this wiring, so it's just gonna get cut out. So it's pretty straightforward. I believe this is like the windshield wiper motor, and then the arms for that probably held in just a couple bolts, and then not really sure what this is exactly, but yeah, so just little stuff here and there. Inside, yeah, actually really inside here, it's just this area, and then I do still have a couple of pieces of the front suspension that I haven't fully disconnected, but honestly I think I'm gonna hold off on that for now and really focus on inside here. I really want to start cleaning the metal and kind of seeing what things look like under the surface. And yeah, I've tried to be patient, but man, really interested to see how it all looks. But I guess, yeah, so since we're here, some close-ups of, this is the passenger side rocker arm. I don't know what to look for exactly. It doesn't look super rusted. I know it feels very solid. It's got that hole right there, but that might have been from whoever was working on this before and removed the floor, maybe put a hole through, I'm not sure. Again, I guess once we clean it up, we'll see better. But yeah, there's that. The front floor supports, again, looks pretty good, just some surface rust. I am trying to figure out, I did order torque boxes, that there was something that's not on the car currently, and that's something I wanted to add. So I will, one thing I need to figure out is how much of this pedal support needs to go. But anyways, yeah, next main priority is cleaning. So that'll be a big focus for quite a while, honestly. There's gonna be a lot of that. So stay tuned. All right, so that's gonna do it for this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching. Pretty exciting stuff. We made some great progress. We got the rear axle removed, the suspension. We also got what was left of the wiring harness removed, started cleaning and prepping the metal. So I'm really excited to go into what I would call phase 2 of this build, which is structural repair. And part of that is all the prep and the cleaning that we're doing with the metal. But I've also ordered the full floor pan and the trunk floor support. So those are on their way. Torque boxes actually just arrived. So in the next video, we'll start prepping those areas, making the cuts that we need to install those. And also in next week's video, we should reveal the welder that we chose and maybe even make our first weld. Stay tuned. See you guys next time.